Buffalo Forge blower. Look at this cool thing. Old cash register. What else do we have here? A pull-on.
Look at these. You put them all in order.
Look at that. A pull-on chainsaw.
I saw the sign. I said,
new.
wait a minute. I wonder if that's the same one.
I am a lineman for the county. And it goes up on the line and check your telephone. Cool. Look at all these tools. That's the sound of a mini tool chest going down the stairs. It's taken from Home Alone. Rigid. They wanted $20. The whole deal, $120 for all this. For those Husky sockets.
Tubing bender.
Oh yeah. Almost forgot about
Shotgun
that.
cleaning kit.
Click, click, boom!
Brand new acetylene regulator.
Oh yeah.
$5.
Can't forget that.
Plus I got all the goodies on the dashboard, all the jewelry.
Okay, here's some of the finds here today at a estate sale.